Okay, so let's take a look at how you can sync the Airtable with one of the Coda database items. So I have this Coda document where I have created the table. So I'll be syncing that with one Airtable entry. Right here you see these are the previous entries. I'll be deleting them obviously. Delete row, then another is there, deleted. So this is the table name E to T and this is document name. So I'll be syncing this particular table with the entries from Airtable's table 1, right? So what I will do is I will go to apps within Zapier and find Airtable as well as our Coda, right? Both of these are here. You can add them from searching. Then once you add the connection, you can go back to dashboard where you can use AI option or you can switch to classic view, manually create that zap. So I will say sync Airtable entries with Coda table items. I will generate this zap and this zap would show you the output, right? Sync Airtable with Coda. Let's try this. New entry from Airtable, then update one of the tables. Right, so here you have your Airtable entry. I will continue that, and here I will continue to add Airtable, then also table entry, then limit to view. You can choose yes or no with grid item. Then also we can go with continue. Let's test this trigger, right? So once it does, can move to our Coda option. So first entry we will try and push to Coda, then I can use update row. There is upsert. If there is any existing, it will just add that. Let's continue and move to adding our document email to table. Then table is E to T. Right? If there are any multiple tables, you can also add them. Matching values. Currently, let's see name, subject, content, notes. So name for name, right? Then matching column is subject and then content. So here you can choose name, then subject, and then content. Finally, there is also note, but we will leave it blank so it won't be updated. You can test this step and then publish this app. Then we will check the Coda document by refreshing. Status is okay. Let's publish. Once it does, we will see that app is published. Now let's refresh here to see what's added. One of the entries should be there. As you can see, this is the data that we sent from Airtable. Now it is appended to Coda.